Hey guys, P. Diddy here, going over De Bello Gallico, Book 6, lines 20 through 29. And in these lines, Caesar is describing the Gallic government and just how the magistrates, as he calls them, govern their people. So, quae civitates, those states which are thought to be running their state well, there's sort of an implied well here, and rem publicam, and you'll see it several times, any similar form. It's a state, not a republic. The Gallic chiefs and whatever did not have a republic, more chiefdom type uh, setup. So that's just an important thing to distinguish, I guess. So those states which are thought to be running their state well have established by laws. So here he sets it up. This is the law that they have established down here in purple in the square. If anyone receives either from rumor or report from neighbors about the republic or about the state, that he should report it to the magistrate and not impart it to anyone else, quo alio. So essentially, it's just highlighting that the Gallic governments have a separation between public and private matters here, and just the confidence of state information and stuff like that, similar to the Romans, similar to most governments. But yeah, so here he sets up the law, and yeah, there's a similar, you'll see in these next lines here, sort of a similar structure that he does where he describes something and then, goes into detail one by one. But here, since it had been known, cogitum est, you have to bring that up here. Since it had been known that reckless and inexperienced men often, and then it comes down here, were incited by false rumors, impelli or terrari falsis rumoribus, incited by false rumors, and incited to wickedness, impelli ad facinus, wickedness or crime here, and create capere concilium, create a scheme about matters of the most importance. So he's sort of justifying why the previous law here of secrecy is in place, because reckless and inexperienced men were often frightened to commit crimes and like scheme and create plans and things like that out of random rumor or reports and things like that. Magistratus here is plural, so it's the magistrates conceal that which seems to be fit. The fit is kind of implied there. That which seems to be fit. Just makes more sense if you add that in there. And anything they judge to be of advantage or of use, they proclaim or report to the masses. So it's sort of entrusting a certain group of people, the magistrates themselves, with important information and not just, fallible men. So these magistrates are sort of above the others. And regarding the state, it is not permitted, that is passive here, itor, as you can see. So it is not permitted to speak about it here, like about state matters, except through a council, nisi per concilium. So, as Caesar outlines here, the Gauls have entrusted the magistrates with important information, as opposed to making things more public. And they have their own system of dealing with that sort of information, and sort of a bureaucracy to go through with a council that they have to adhere to. So, just interesting. Caesar's sort of here comparing Rome and Gallic governing tactics, and just showing how advanced their governing is. So thank you very much.